I am doing my good usability analysis on a 2000 Toyota Solera's cruise control system. Oftentimes, cruise control systems in cars will seem easy enough to use while you're checking them out on the lot. The problem usually arises when you actually go to use the cruise control. Most cars have cruise control systems that use buttons on the steering wheel, so the driver won't need to reach for the controls. This poses a problem, however. The cruise control buttons are most likely not the only buttons on the steering wheel, and they are also probably not distinguishable from the other buttons by shape, size, or texture. Therefore, the driver will need to look down at his or her steering wheel while trying to use these cruise controls. Fortunately, the cruise control system in my Toyota does not pose the same problem. Instead of buttons, there is a lever that extends from the steering wheel where your hand should be while driving. Just like your blinker, the cruise control lever works by nudging it up or down to make the car go faster or slower, respectively. This is good usability. Not only is the lever placed next to the steering wheel where it is easy for you to reach while driving, but it also is ideal for using while you're looking at the road. Since your brain is programmed to know the difference between up and down, and to subconsciously move the lever up for faster and down for slower. All you need to do to turn the cruise control on and off is press this button at the end. Again, this button is easy to find and there is only one, so you can't make a mistake by hitting the wrong button. The only downfall of this cruise control system design is determining whether or not the cruise control is actually on. Of course, you may notice that your car is steadily decreasing, meaning that the cruise control isn't on, but not everybody will notice that. In this car, there is a green icon labeled cruise control in the dashboard that you can see. It only will light up if the cruise control is currently on and being used. So if I push the button in, it will turn off. Then once again, it will turn on again. While this design isn't necessarily bad design or bad usability, it may cause problems for some that can get easily distracted by looking down at the dashboard, which is not where your viewpoint is. A possible solution to this problem in the future would be for Toyota to adopt the head-up display technology that was originally designed for aviation purposes, but is now becoming more popular in production vehicles. This type of display would allow the driver to view the data normally displayed on their dashboard through a transparent display on their windshield, never having to look away from his or her viewpoint, which in this case is the road.